Teardrop campers have been around for a long time, since the 1930s. But Jayco has a new take on this design concept with its JPod Outback, a compact, lightweight, hardwalled camper that you could tow just about anywhere. For the first time in a JPod, Jayco has fitted its J-Tech independent off-road suspension, giving plenty of clearance and a smoother ride over rough roads. The Outback also scores an off-road swivel coupling and 15-inch alloy wheels shod with all-terrain tyres, and also has checker plate front and side protection. A large A-frame toolbox is also fitted, and while the JPod Sport's slide-out kitchen only comes with a sink, the Outback also has a 2-burner stove, while it also has 2 gas bayonets instead of the Sport's single outlet. A large 82-litre water tank with steel protection shield is fitted under the Outback. The 150-watt solar panel, a Sirocco fan, an external shower, Alco rear drop-down stabiliser legs and mud flaps are other unique Outback features. The Outback shares a Bush Ranger awning, rear tent and roof rails with the Sport. There's adequate room inside the Outback with its queen-size bed and a fair few storage options under the bed and in the corner cupboard, plus netted storage bins on each side wall. Energy supply is covered off with 240-volt inlet and power points if you have a Jenny or are camping at a caravan park, while free camping is made easier with a 150-watt solar panel feeding the 100 amp-hour AGM battery via the BM Pro battery management system. While we didn't get to tow the Outback in hardcore off-road conditions, it didn't move around at 100 km an hour on the freeway or skip over potholes on the poor dirt roads we towed it over. While small campers like this may be an acquired taste, the JPod Outback is well equipped for the money and seems to be a great proposition for relatively short stay remote country camping.